I got my second wind. Now that it's dry, I decided to come in here and do a little sanding. As you can see, you can still see some of the indentations of the paneling. It's smooth, but you can still see it. So hopefully when I prime it, you won't be able to see it. And of course, some of them don't feel smooth, so I have to go back over it, of course. I sure know how to get myself into it, I tell you. Falling for you. I'm falling for you. These are the days I cherish every moment. I won't take my life for granted. Please don't ever change. Won't stop until we own it. The light is shining bright, it's our moment. Why don't you just pick a side and tell me, where do we go? Where do we go? Why don't you just pick a side and tell me? Just let me know. You let me know. Please don't let this go. Sometimes my mind is away. I drift into space. Don't know where to go. Sometimes I think I'm okay. I'm feeling the same. My reasons are gone. Say my name, cause baby I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling, falling. So won't you say my name? Cause baby I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling, falling for you. Falling for you. I have a lot of this sage color left over from when I painted my accent wall in my bedroom. And I decided to put it on this wall just to see how I feel about it. I wasn't feeling it. Alright, today I'm going to go ahead and finish up this side of the wall. I had to work in sections. I did this side first, and now I'm going to complete this side. It's already been primed, caulked, the works. It just needs to be painted. Now this side over here is finished, but I'm thinking, because I used bare paint from Home Depot, that I might have to put another couple of coats on here. But I'm going to go ahead and do this side first. And then I want to see how it looks and come back and maybe another coat tomorrow. And then once that's done, I'm going to, well, I don't know if I'm going to do it today, work on the other side of the wall over there. I've decided I'm going to paint those slats that I did a while back. I'm going to paint them black matte. Me and my black and my white. Yeah, I think I like that. And the good thing about those slats over there, because I like to change my mind so much, if I get tired of it, it'll come down. And if I ever get tired of this, that's paneling. And I will take that entire thing down and have someone come in and put new drywall over here. So, for now, I'm going to leave that alone. That's my accent wall. Another accent wall over there by the TV, or featured wall or whatever. Alright. As you can see, I've already blue taped the sides because I'm going to go ahead and paint it black. I did a little area over there to see if I like it. And I do. So that'll be another project. I'll probably do that maybe today while the other side is drying. I've already done this side of the wall. Looks like I'm going to have to go over it again. That bare paint. I don't know what to say. Anyway, I've gotten that part. Now I'm going to go over to the other side and do the other side. I have to do it in sections because it's not enough room in this living room to put all this stuff. So I moved the bookshelf over in its space. Now I'm going to start this side, as you can see here. And then once that's done, a couple of coats, I'll probably end up doing about 3 or 4 coats to get this the way I want it. I'm all over the place. I'm going back and forth, up and down, because I can see with the brighter light how splotchy that paint is. I tell you, I came close to going to Lowe's and get some Sherwin-Williams or some other brand paint, Valspar white, to paint this wall, but since I already had the bare paint, I just decided to go ahead and go over it a few more times. Here I added the first coat, and of course I have to let it dry. Then I'm sure I'm going to have to go over it again, and I did 3 or 4 times. To be honest with you, I'm not feeling this paint brand, but hey, I already paid for it and I gotta use it. So if I have to go over it several times, that's okay. Not wasting money. Alright, I'm done. It's not 100%. You can still see a few areas where I didn't cover it up good and sand well. But that's alright. Only person I have to look at is me. Now that's where they joined panel together, pieces of panel together. That's why you see that big split there. I have something in mind, some design I might try with that. You can still see some of the grooves, but it's okay. Most of it is covered. I'm good with it. At least I don't have to look at that paneling anymore. And perhaps maybe one day when my coin is right, I might take the whole thing down and just have it drywalled. Oh, I don't know what's behind that paneling. I mean, if I was to take it off, I don't know what the wall looks like behind there. It might be okay. I might have to just do a little patching and sanding, or I might have to just rip it out and put in new drywall. Who knows? I finally completed this project. I hope you enjoyed the video. I did the best I could. It is what it is. This was a very laborious project. I'm a woman of a particular age, and every little part of my body is hurting right now. However, you know, eventually, if, like I said, if one day I get tired of it, I can take it down. Perhaps the drywall behind it is okay. Probably needs a little sanding, or I'll just have the drywall replaced. But for now, this is the way it's going to be. In fact, this is the way it's going to be for a while. As you can see, I did paint these slats black matte with the Sherwin-Williams iron ore. I like it. And it's okay for now until when I decide to take it down. And that's another project that will probably be there for a while. So, yeah. Alright, you all take care, and I'll see you on my next video, my next DIY project, or whatever I decide to get myself into.